Kappa's marriage. Once upon a time, a long time ago, a father and 3 daughters lived in a place, and they were very rich and had a lot of rice fields. One year, there was a time when it didn't rain for months, and the land dried up and I couldn't even make rice. Is there anyone who can put a lot of water in the rice field? If you do that, I'll give you my daughter. When I said such a lonely thing in a dry rice field, a Kappa appeared in front of me. I took on the job. If you put a lot of water in the rice field, don't promise to give me your daughter. There's no lie. If possible, I'll give you my daughter. I don't have 2 words. When the father said while laughing. The next day, to my surprise, there was an overflow of water in the rice field. The father remembered that promise for a moment of joy. I'm in trouble. What should I do? But a promise is a promise. When I got home, I asked my oldest daughter first. It's a promise with Kappa, please. What are you talking about? No. Absolutely. I'm a bastard. Next, I asked my second daughter. It's a promise with Kappa, please. Why do you say that? Of course I refuse. I hate my father. Finally, I asked my third daughter. It's a promise with Kappa. Marry me a Kappa. I don't want to marry a Kappa, but it's my father's promise. It's not good to break a promise, so I'll get married as you say. My daughter answered sadly. Thank you. You are the kindest daughter in the world. I'll give you whatever you want. What do you want? Goods. My father collected as many goods from the neighboring houses. The next day, a handsome man came to visit. I'm here to pick up your daughter. Father, I'm coming with this person. My daughter was carrying a large furoshiki with 100 goods on her back. I wonder if that person is really a Kappa. My sisters were envious of my sister. The 2 of them came to the shore of the lake. My house, as you know, is in this lake. Now, let's go. He pulled his daughter's hand. Mr. Kappa, please wait a moment. I have a favor to ask. This good is a very important bride tool. First of all, please take this good home. It's cheap. Kappa carried a good and jumped into the water. I'm desperate to sink the good, but it's light and it immediately floats on the water. It was hard to bring the bride's tools. No, I don't want to marry a human. Let's marry the daughter of a Kappa. The Kappa said that and disappeared into the lake. The father was sincerely pleased that his daughter came back safely and said this. "You are the heir of this house." Hearing that, the two older sisters fell for their father, but it was already a later festival. The end.